This is a video on how to find the midpoint of a line segment. The midpoint of a line segment with endpoints x1, y1, and x2, y2 is given by the following. So when I say a line segment, I mean that there's 2 points at the end of a line that connects them, but it's not a line that goes on forever. So these are the endpoints. When I say x1, y1, x2, y2, those are the points that we're referring to. Basically, all you want to do is you want to take the average of the x values to find the x coordinate, and the average of the y values to find the y coordinate. So we've got x1 plus x2 divided by 2, just taking the average of the x values, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2 to get the y coordinate, that's the average of the y values. If you have that, you're finding the midpoint. The midpoint would be the point that's halfway in between these 2 points they gave you. Let's take a look at an example. So for example, find the midpoint of the line segment with endpoints -3, 9 and 7, 13. So basically, remember, so you want to take the average of the x values, average of the y values. So our midpoint formula, from the previous page, is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. We really just want to substitute in. So if I called this x1, y1, I'll call this point x2, y2. Basically, you're substituting your values. So average of the x values would be -3 plus x2, 7 divided by 2, comma, the y coordinate will come from the average of the y values, 9 plus 13 divided by 2. And then just simplify each fraction here. -3 plus 7 gives us 4 over 2, comma, 9 plus 13 gives us 22 over 2. And then simplifying, 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, comma, 22 divided by 2 gives us 11. So this is an ordered pair. It's an x, comma, y value. It's a point on a graph. So this tells us the point 2, comma, 11 is exactly halfway between the points -3, 9 and the point 7, 13. And so we've done it. We found the value of the midpoint. Here's an example for you to try on your own.